Hello, everyone, and thank you for your time today. My name is Erkin Babayev, and this is my teammate.
Đạt Phu Huỳnh.
We're here to present the work that we completed for Practical Work 3 in Data Models and Database Systems. We'll walk you through the details outlined in the report, including tasks, methods, challenges, and so on.
So our work focused on using two main tools, BaseX for XML query and Oracle SQL Developer for managing the XML data with the database. The XML file we worked with, I think, was named .3031.xml, contains information about doctors and the patients, which we use for all our queries. You can see these details in the general information section of the report. So let's start with the queries.
Well, starting with the basics tasks as shown in the report, we developed 4 XML queries. Here on the query 1, we retrieved the social security number of the doctor at the 10th position. Moving on to the second query, we retrieved all information about the doctor at the 25th position. Down next to the third, we extracted the gender of all patients registered to a specific doctor named David Beardo. And at the fourth query, we gathered information about the patients that are from France and that are also registered to the doctor with ID 23. I should also mention that each query required the use of the X plus expressions, so we did that.
Okay, so moving on to the Oracle SQL Developer, we made the table called doctors data here to store the XML data. You can see the script we use in section 2.1. We then wrote 4 SQL queries to retrieve information similar to the BaseX task. For example, I think that's for query 2. Retrieve all the details about the doctor's athletics position and using the extract function with the XPath. Query 4, retrieve information about patients from France, registered to a doctor with the ID 23. So here are the queries. So let's go on to challenges and solutions by Erkin.
Well, moving on to the challenges and solutions, I should say that one of the key factors is like the size of the team because we are only 2 people. It plays for and against us in different type of situations. For example, small size means that the communication is much easier and we don't have that much of the disadvantages on that part, but unfortunately it very slows down the project progress because there's too much amount of work and dividing it to only 2 people makes it more difficult and results in unproductiveness. We also faced challenges moving on the project itself. For example, we had a hard time understanding the difference between index and ID in the queries. It created confusion, but while working, we tried to adapt. We analyzed the task descriptions. We used some online documentation as a consultation, and I would say that at the end we clarified and solved the problems with no issue.
Okay, so about the work division, we both divide like work half and half. So I focus on mainly making the Oracle SQL Developer tables, and I wrote like a lot in the instance scripts. And Erkin, he developed the BaseX queries and helped debug the SQL queries. So we both reviewed the outputs. It was good, I think, and we made the report together. So here's the full breakdown in the report. So let's go on to conclusion.
Well, in the conclusion, I would say that while working on this project, it very improved the proficiency in querying XML with basics and in also handling the XML information in Oracle SQL Developer. I would say that with such set of skills, from now on, working in the future projects, it will be significantly easier for us to handle such queries. And I should also mention that working as a team significantly improves our social skills and much easier communication.
So here are our sources, and our main tools are BaseX and like LetSQL. So thank you for your time. This is the end of the presentation.
Yeah, thank you for your attention. That's it from us today.